Hello everybody. Today is the first day of a series for the budget entertaining area. Today we're going to start with the budget bar build. We spent under $100 on all these materials. Use construction lumber for the frame and the top, and then these tongue and groove planks that we found up in the attic for the front and the side. So enjoy the video. Barkeep, can I get a cold one? A Dr. Pepper?
Yeah, it's a Dr. Pepper your mom's watching.
Cheers, Mom. Alright, so here I am getting the truck unloaded. I want to say that we use 2 or 3 2x4x8s, and then 3 or 4 2x6s, and then 2 2x12s. Those are all 8-foot lengths. The 2x12s will eventually become a top. We ended up having some left over, which was fine because at a later date we're going to continue this on the other side of the wall, then put a connector between the two so that it looks like one big bar. But alright, just here we're just getting all the stock process, trying to get it as close to its finished size as I can at this time. The only thing that isn't cut to size is the vertical pieces, because those will be decided once we get the boards for the face of it sandwiched between the top and the bottom. So what I'm doing here is cutting the groove for the face boards to sit in on the top and the bottom of the side and the front. The blade on the table saw is slightly offset from the middle, so when you run the board down and then flip it around and run the other face on the fence, then you end up with a small groove. I had to do this once and then I reset and ran it back through again and ended up with a finished groove a little bit over 1/4 of an inch to be able to fit those tongue and groove boards that we had found in that groove. So I'm joining this whole project together using mostly pocket screws. This is a pocket hole jig from Milescraft that I purchased for a fairly good price off of Amazon. I really like how it works. As you can see there, this is what happens when you go out of state to do some work and then you forget to bring a clamp with you. So I was holding it down with my hand the whole time, which worked sufficiently. The holes were a little bit ragged, but they would not be seen, so that was okay. It's right there. I'm marking the line for the height on our vertical piece so we can get that cut to the right length. I'm just laying out all of our pieces that are going to go together. We got the planks in there just to give us the right spacing. Here we'll just glue and screw it together, just regular wood glue. And now a word from our sponsors. Today's video is brought to you by Trial and Error and Persuasion. It took us a little bit of time to get all these boards fit in here properly. I know it looks like we work super fast, but we really don't. But most of them went together pretty well. A few of them we kind of had trouble with. We either switched it out for a new board or gave it a little bit of a persuasive tap with the rubber mallet, and everything went together just fine.
so that was the build. If you like what you saw, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And if you got any other ideas for projects or suggestions on what you think we should do with the rest of this area, we got a rough idea. We're just haven't nailed anything down yet. So if you got any suggestions for that, let me know, and I'd be glad to hear what you guys have to say. Maybe use some of it in the video. Thanks for watching.
Alright, well, that's the build. So if you guys liked it, make sure you give us a thumbs up, leave us some comments down below, and subscribe. We'll make some more projects, and if you have any ideas, make sure to let us know. Thanks.
Probably. Okay, that has to go in the video.